Ingoe kai. Polo talo. Sap sui.
Anybody.
Wakalo Fat Mako. We're at Stevensons' birthday today.
Having a snack.
Just getting the food ready. Got Hector at the
Happy
back.
birthday, Stevenson. Yeah, that's
This is the man. Happy birthday, Stevenson. How old are you now?
18.
Any words, Stevenson, turning 22?
Another day of life. God bless.
Should we put it on here?
Short and sweet.
Oh, happy birthday, Stevenson. Yeah, that's it. That's all I gotta say.
Stevenson.
Oh, 17? Oh, our grandson Stevenson, that's Homer's boy. He's 22 years old today. Wow, time is so fast, so quick. David Jones is here and the family. Hayden and the kids are here. Yeah, everybody's just about here now. So we're gonna spread out and start properly. Thank you.
And then take this one off. Okay.
Take care. Ingoe kai. Polo talo. Sap sui. Sap sui niki. Komoa. Niwe talo. Tamai talo iniwe.
Monuina e aho whānau hau ma Stevenson. Happy birthday. It was 1 year ago. I was wearing this exact same top. I wore it again because that was the last time I wore it. So make the most of it. Every year on your birthday I'll wear this top. And happy birthday, Hector 22nd. Now I'm going to go say to your face, because I haven't even given you a hug for your birthday today. Alright, good, yeah, thank you.
Big bushes.
Happy birthday, Stevenson. Thank you for inviting us. Celebrating your birthday. And yep. Just hold up. Happy birthday, Stevenson. Thank you for being a good cousin. And yeah, for good luck.
Happy birthday, Stevenson. Thank you for being a good cousin. All the best, God bless. Yeah, thank you.
Hiya, hiya. That's John.
Back home, everyone all missed you, all the kindness have missed you, and brothers and sisters, and hope you enjoyed today. God bless you.
Man, and good to hear you're doing well, and we're so happy for you and Ayane in Australia, but it is good to have you back. Yeah, happy birthday, it's awesome. Very happy for you and wishing you all the best. And yeah, when you make all your money in Australia, that's when we'll come over and help you spend it over there.
Yes.
Yeah, it's good to have you here. Alright, happy birthday, Stevenson. We love you.
Thank you all for inviting us here to celebrate your birthday, Stevenson. I've missed you, even though we did spend the week with you in Bali, so very, very fortunate. So glad that you are here with us to celebrate Christmas as well. Yeah, we love you, Stevenson, so always good to see you. So I don't know if Jordan Kingston has anything to say, but when we lay up in our house, love you, Stevenson.
Yeah, awesome to see you. And I'm wearing my clothes from last year, from your 21st, just to, celebrate your day. I got dressed up for the party at Mayfield Street. Yeah, so happy birthday, all the best to you and Nani. All right, go ahead.
Bali. One thing that I think about when Steph mentioned Bali is that you and Yanni have been together for a little while now. So the last time we spoke, I thought I heard you mention something about baby or wedding or something like that. And you keep laughing. You keep going, stop hearing things, Auntie. Then when we were in Bali, Yanni was telling me that you guys were noticing that I was putting my phone up to take photos or videos with things, but I wasn't pressing record. So if not then, whenever we see you next, we'll always be happy to see you. So that's it from me, Stevenson. Happy birthday. God bless you. Love you always. Happy birthday, Stevenson. I think you're the only one here that gave me a nickname. You called me Onion.
All the best of us. Yeah, take care of yourself, eh?
Thank you everybody for coming. It's always good to see you all. Happy birthday, son. You can see everyone here has a lot of love for you because they wouldn't be here if they didn't. And on that note, when you do go to Aussie, please transfer it to my account. And show me some love as well.
I'll apologize on my side that my son is somewhere, but I'm hoping that he'll bump into you before you head back to Aussie.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Stevenson. You have a great birthday. 32 years old now. I just want to thank you for coming back to New Zealand, spending some time with us. And I just hope that you'll stay well for the rest of the years to come. And yeah, I love you, cuz.